we're going to start off the fundamental principle, conservation of energy, where total energy is constant. Now there's going to be kinetic energy and potential energy. The kinetic energy is going to be a maximum at zero displacement and 0 at maximum displacement. The potential energy is going to be maximum at maximum displacement and minimum at zero displacement. And that potential energy can be strain energy in a spring, gravitational potential energy, or a combination of things. But the rule that force is proportional to the displacement must stay true as well. Because since the total energy is equal to the kinetic energy plus potential energy, if we know that the potential energy is going to reduce to 0 at zero displacement, so E total equals EK, which is equal to half mv squared, which is equal to half m omega squared x naught squared.